Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can configure a messaging access permission on Windows 11. So you can give a permission or not give permission on app that can messaging on your system. So you can click on start icon and go to the settings and find privacy and security. Under app permissions, you can try to search the messaging. Click it. So here, anyone using this device can choose if their apps have access to read text messages with a cellular connection when this is on. So here, let app read messages, choose which apps can read the messages. You can turn this on or this is on by default. So maybe there is an app that can read messages, will be listed here. And this is a recent activity. Review text messages access from the last 7 days. The most recent access data is also captured in other section on this page. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.